What's going on YouTube? How you guys doing? We back at it with another video. Let me know if this quality is good. The lighting and all that should be pretty good. We under the light, so shouldn't be too bad. But I'm gonna just jump straight into this video. I'm not gonna waste no time. I ended up skipping ahead of myself and doing the install on this certain part on my bike. But if you guys can see by the title, we went ahead and went with a true dual 39-inch Fishtails on my bike. We did not go Samson or we did not go Bassani, which are two popular brands for these specific bikes, or any Harley to be honest. I ended up going with Shark Road 39-inch Fishtails, so shout out to Shark Road. You guys can go check them out. I don't know how much years they've been out in production, but I've heard a lot of good things about them, and I've been speaking to a lot of people, especially another guy on the East Coast that has the same exact bike as me. He loves his 39-inch Fishtails, so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys them, and I'm gonna just explain this. I wish I could have did an install video. I honestly, you guys, I got so excited the other night, and I ended up installing them, not realizing that I should have made a video about it. But the install was a pain in the ass, I'm not gonna lie. If you wanna get it done the right way, well, I shouldn't say get it done the right way, because I did do it the right way, but if you want it done in a timely manner, take it to a shop. Take your bike to a shop to get its parts installed. I saved myself $295 not taking my bike to the shop and installing this whole exhaust myself. Let me show you guys it. 3, 2, 1. Bam. Sheesh. Again, 39-inch Fishtails from Shark Road. These are tough. I'm not gonna lie, you guys. This completed the back end for show. We had to get rid of that stock exhaust for show. These are so nice. Oh my God. Damn. I am gonna do a ceramic coating on these. It comes with the full kit. Straight from the headers to new gaskets all the way down into this internal area that swoops through here. What I like about Shark Road is versus Samsung and Bassani, I think there, when you're doing the exhaust through their aftermarket Fishtails, they are a little different. This one is just direct bolt-ons, really easy install. So yeah, that comes right here. Bam, straight through here. Also has these exhaust covers to cover the clamps, just for discoloration area in these areas, which typically tend to get discoloration after a while, but it's nice it came with those. Same right here, got another exhaust cover right here, which is nice. And I also have one for right here. This already turned a different color. I actually took this for a test ride yesterday morning, and it's already turning different colors, so I do gotta get a cover on that. And I believe it came with this right here. I just haven't had time to put it on, but it's a pain in the ass to kind of get this on. But yeah, you guys, it's just, oh my gosh, this exhaust just completes the rear end. That stock one was not doing it. Let me show you guys the stock one real quick. Don't get me wrong, the stock one sounded nice. The Screaming Eagle exhaust sounded really nice. But that was just not doing it on one side of the bike. It's not my steez, guys. It's not my steez. Now the downfall for us is whoever put this existing sensor on this old exhaust completely rounded this off. So I actually had to go to O'Reilly and go get a new O2 sensor for this bike. It was like $70. They are a little pricey. Other than that, yeah, this was the stock exhaust before. Screaming Eagle exhaust. This one has scratches on it. The previous owner did not take care of this exhaust. I don't even know how there were scratches on it. I actually did this one myself though. This is most likely gonna get trashed or something. Maybe I'll give it to someone for free. But yeah, that was the stock exhaust. But yeah, hey, hopefully you guys liked the last video. Hopefully that motivated some of you guys to go do that thing that you've really been waiting to do, that thing that you've been postponing, that thing that you've been procrastinating on. Hopefully that last video gave you guys some inspo. Because personally for me, when I see something and I really want to do something and I know I'm away, it's never going to get done. You just got to just dip your feet in and just go all in. So hopefully you guys like that video. We're going to do a quick wash on the bike. So enjoy this time-lapse video real quick. I'll see you guys in a second. here she is, y'all. I just got done dialing her in. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that little time-lapse video. Honestly, it was just a quick detail, nothing crazy, but I think my next video, be on the lookout. I'm gonna show you guys how I specifically detail a motorcycle or a Harley or anything of this category. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna show you guys what chemicals I specifically use for this bike and for other motorcycles. I've detailed so far since I started my detail business. I've detailed 4 motorcycles. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys how I get down. That was just a quick wash. I'm gonna show you more of a full, thorough detail. I'm actually headed somewhere in the next 30 minutes, so I gotta go in and shower. So I just wanna do a quick wash for you guys. Hopefully you guys like this video. Again, those are 39-inch Fishtails. They look so nice on the bike. They just complement the rear end so much. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It's so nice. I'm all sweaty. I didn't want to do this out in the sun. The bike was already parked, so I did it in my garage. Hopefully you guys liked the video. I'm sorry I could not do an install on this video. But again, if you follow the directions, either if you go through Brasani, Samson, or you go through Shark World like I did, they have pretty brief descriptions on how to do installs on these. You guys, a lot of this stuff on the bike, you guys don't gotta spend your money and take it to a shop. If you can kind of do it yourself and save the money, do it that way. Of course, some parts as far as changing your wheels, tires, engine parts, you know, if you're gonna stretch your fenders and stuff, that's different. But other than that, guys, hopefully you guys like the video. I'll see you guys on the next video. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Deuces.